Platypus. Meet the platypus. It has a duck's bill, webbed feet, and lays eggs. What a funny-looking animal! Tasmanian devil. Tasmanian devils are small but mighty. They make loud growls and love to eat meat. They dig burrows and have very strong bottoms to keep predators out. Cockatoo.cockatoos are noisy, colorful birds. They love to talk and copy sounds. Emu.emus are big birds that can't fly but run super fast. Zoom, zoom. Echidna. Echidnas are covered in spikes and love eating ants and termites. They're so unique, they even lay eggs. Dingoes are wild dogs that live in Australia. They're great hunters and love to explore. Crocodile. Snap! Crocodiles are powerful reptiles with sharp teeth. They live in rivers and the ocean. Wombat. Wombats are like furry bulldozers. They dig burrows and have very strong bottoms to keep predators out. Tasmanian devils are small but mighty. They make loud growls and love to eat meat. Kangaroos are super jumpers. They carry their babies, called joeys, in their pouches. Hop, hop, hop. Koala. Koalas are so cuddly, they love to sleep in trees and eat eucalyptus leaves. ZZZ.